Okay, I'm still dismantling today, and as you might be able to see, I've got a lot of the structure down. These hoops are all loose now, so it's a matter of pulling them out of the ground. They're still attached to the baseboard there. That's that treated lumber. Some of them I can twist off, and some of them I have to tip it up because the way the screws are put in there, they're angled out to the ground, and I can't get a screwdriver in there. So another method is just to tip the whole thing up like this. Let's see here. So if I grab this one and this one, and this one, this one doesn't want to move. There we go. Well, okay, that's all of them, except for the ones that are going over the tops of the edges there. So let's have a look here. Still have that bar right there coming across, and if you follow that all the way down, it goes to the other end, and we've got to get that apart, and then we've got to disassemble this end here, this whole thing. And then we've got to disassemble that end there. And then that whole middle A-frame structure's got to come apart. So we're getting there. So that's progress for today. That's not bad. Here's that pile of PVC I just took out. It's all sitting over here, and what I'm going to try to do, like I said before, is use it to make fence sections. Now some of the wood that's still good, mostly this treated lumber, it's over here. I'm going to reuse that. So, we're coming along. Well, okay, it is the 13th of May today, I believe. And we got it all torn down. Now you can see there's a wall over there that I still got left, but I need to keep that up until the last minute. So, but other than that, there's quite a mess here, as you can see, but it's all torn down. So we're ready to go again. Let's see if I can get a picture of this deer over here. Look how bad these guys have gotten. Look at that. How tame these lawn rats are. He just sits up there and says, "Oh yeah, what do you want?" Doesn't seem to be too bothered. Dumb thing. And that's why I must have a greenhouse. If you don't fence it in or do something, they're going to tear everything to pieces. Okay, first thing to do now is to start enclosing the thing in, but before that, I've got to figure out how to put the roof on. And what that means is I've got to figure out where the level line is again for all of the posts here. So I'm going to show you how to do that again. I think I showed you on another one how to get the level line. So here we go. Because as you can see, the ground here is sloped a little bit, and but I've got to have the building level, or at least the roof line level, so that I can put a straight roof on it. So I'll show you how to do that.